brand sent over this clip-on strainer and compensated me for this video, but if you despise lugging out this big colander every time you want to drain your noodles, then listen up. All right, check this out. This is the clip-on silicone strainer, and it's a total game changer for your kitchen. No more struggling with bulky colanders or dealing with water splashing everywhere when you drain your food. This little gadget clips right onto pretty much any pot, pan, or even a bowl, making draining so much easier. And it's made of food grade silicone, so it's safe to use and has a nice flexible grip. You just clip it on and it stays right where it's supposed to. Whether you're draining pasta, rinsing veggies, or even getting rid of grease from meat, it's got you covered. And it handles heat like a champ, withstanding temperatures up to about 230 degrees Celsius, so no worries about it melting or warping. And one of the best parts of all is that it takes up almost no space. Unlike those traditional huge colanders, this strainer is compact and easy to use. And cleanup is a breeze. It's dishwasher safe. I just throw it right in on the top rack, but even a quick rinse just does the trick too. And it's also very sturdy. You don't have to worry about it slipping off mid-drain. The clips hold on securely, making sure everything stays in place. Overall, it's one of those small kitchen tools that makes a huge difference. It's super practical, it's easy to use, and even easier to clean. It's definitely worth having on hand whenever you're cooking, and I hope this video helped.